Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to discover trending topics on Threads. Whether you want to stay on top of the latest news, engage in popular conversations, or create content that taps into current trends, knowing how to find trending topics is key. Let's get into it. First, explore that trending section or discover feed. First, make sure you check the built-in trending section or discover feed on Threads. Most social platforms have a section dedicated to a trending topics. You could go ahead and click search right here for searching a topic or users, or you can just go ahead into your home page and you can see for you, which shows random account with same or algorithms tailored to your taste. All right, and you can use search to search for a certain hashtag or keyword in order to get to your topic and find the highlights, basically, right? And that brings me to my next step, using hashtags to find popular discussions. A perfect segue. Hashtags are a great way to discover trending topics. By searching for specific hashtags, you can see what people are talking about and join those conversations. So if you're interested, for example, in tech, you can search for hashtags like tech news. Sorry for that. Tech news, right? Or innovation, to find trending topics related to that topic. Okay. Next, check out what influencers and thought leaders are talking about. Okay. Another way of to discover trending topics is by following influencers and thought leaders in your niche. You can go ahead and search for people like Elon Musk, right? If they exist on Threads, you could type right here Elon Musk, for example, right? To find to find influencer, or let's have an example. Let's say Patrick, right? And you're gonna find right here the basically what the latest updates, right? Check the latest updates from the creators, right? They're often the first to share insights, comment on trending topics, or start new conversations, right? If you see a lot of influencers discussing something, chances are it's trending. Pay attention to what they're sharing and the topics they're engaging with to stay in the loop, right? Basically, what they're sharing and the topics that they're engaging with to stay on in the loop, right? Monitor the popular threads or discussions in your niche, right? Explore this threads and discussions within your specific interest areas or niche. For example, if you're into fitness, use fitness. And again, if you're into tech, you could just go ahead and search for tech news to find the latest discussions. By interacting with niche communities, you will start seeing the latest discussions and trends that matter to that audience. This helps you stay updated while also making your own contribution to that trend. All right. And next, what you're going to do, engage with surveys or basically posts. Platforms like Threads often feature polls and surveys that can give you an idea of what people are talking about. If a poll getting a lot of engagement, it might point to a trending topic. So make sure that you interact with that. Okay. Next, follow news and event-based trends. You can go ahead and follow mainstream media news, right? You can follow mainstream media, for example, BBC or CNN, right? To keep track of the latest events or political debates or product launches. Always create trending topics. So you can search for event hashtags or just keep an eye on what's being talked about in your feed. All right. As for Threads, you can follow basically famous influencers, right, that talks about Threads, right? You can follow this account, for example, and to know the latest updates. Okay, so there you have it. To discover trending topics on Threads, check the trending section by clicking the search right here, or you can use For You to see the latest algorithm, basically, right, of what content tailored to your taste. Okay, you can use hashtags, follow influencers, and explore your niche. By staying updated with the latest conversations, you can jump in, share your thoughts, and keep your content relevant. Let me know in the comments how you stay on top of the trends, and I will catch you in the next video.